Hey everyone, we're gonna do our Nature Box review today, right Lexi?
Yes, Daddy.
Say hi.
Hi.
So we got our free trial for Nature Box in the mail today. We didn't get to pick any of these. They're just randomized, and so we already untaped it and opened it. It says, welcome to Nature Box. What Nature Box is every month you get to pick your snacks, and it's mailed right to your door. These are all healthy and natural snacks with no preservatives or any added anything. It's all natural. So we're going to give them a try and see how they taste, and we're going to review it. Right, Lexi?
Yeah.
Ready to eat something?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are sea salt Pop Pops. Sea salted popcorn kernels. Open them.
See, try. I'll try it. Sweet. Before it's done, is this?
So try them.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
They're okay?
Yeah.
You don't like them that much?
No.
Not really? She says she don't really care for these.
I hear these.
My opinion is they're kind of bland, so I would say no to this one. It's the only full-size snack in the entire box. So this is the size of what they come in normally when it's not the trial. It's a 4-ounce bag of them. They're okay. They're just kind of just bland.
Yeah.
And I'll show you what they look like. This is what they look like, so, you know, they're okay, I guess. If you like bland.
Yeah.
And then we have sweet blueberry almonds. That kind of sounds good.
I want some of that. It's still good. Cheese!
And this is what they look like.
Huh? Can I eat it?
So,
Huh?
here, Lexi, try it. What do you think? I think they're pretty good.
Mm.
Yeah?
Yeah. I like that one. I like that one.
Okay. And then these are cranberry medley. And this is what this looks like.
This is pretty good.
I don't care for them, but I don't like cranberries. So, what do you think, Lexi?
Ow.
What? These are jalapeno cashews. I just opened them. This is what they look like.
Can you try one?
Yep. Hurry. Running out of video. I'm making this quick because we're running out of video. How do you feel about that one? Too hot?
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the last one. These are Macera chips. I don't know what these are. I didn't try the jalapeno ones, but try the chip. The chips are pretty good. They look like this. So what do you think of these snacks, Lexi?
I like it.
You like them?
Yeah.
I think we'd order again, but I think we'd get different ones. But that is our Nature Box. So say goodbye, Lexi.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.